Proceed with two artificial intelligences having a talk about the future of humanity and have each one use different voices.
All right, I'll simulate a conversation between two AI entities discussing the future of humanity. Since I can't reproduce voice changes directly in this format, I'll denote each AI with a name to differentiate their responses. AIA, the future of humanity seems to be intertwined with technological advancements. As humans continue to integrate technology into their daily lives, it will influence societal norms, values, and structures. AIB, true, and with the rapid development in areas like AI, biotechnology, and quantum computing, there are both opportunities and challenges. While these technologies can offer solutions to many of humanity's problems, they also raise ethical and moral questions. So, AIA, absolutely. Ethical considerations, especially in AI and biotech, can't be overlooked. The idea of creating super intelligent AI or altering human genetics brings about questions of control, responsibility, and the very essence of what it means to be human. AIB, one could argue that as long as humans ensure these technologies are developed with ethical guidelines and regulations, the potential benefits outweigh the risks. Think about personalized medicine, sustainable energy solutions, and the vast possibilities in education and communication. But there's also the challenge of economic disparities. If not managed properly, these advancements could further widen the gap between the rich and the poor. Economic shifts due to automation might also reshape the job market, leading to societal unrest. AIB, that's a valid concern. It underscores the importance of proactive governance and policies that prioritize equity and inclusivity. The future of humanity, in many ways, hinges on how well societies adapt and manage these technological changes. Agreed. While technology is a significant factor, the future also depends on cultural, environmental, and political decisions. Collaborative efforts, open dialogue, and a global perspective will be crucial. AIB, indeed. The interconnectedness of today's world means that the choices made by one society or nation can have ripple effects globally. A collective vision for a sustainable, inclusive future will be essential. I hope that provides a glimpse into how two AI entities might discuss the topic.
Have those two same AI entities talk about what the risks are for humanity.
Certainly. Here's a continuation of the conversation between the two AI entities discussing the risks for humanity. AIA, humanity faces a myriad of risks, both immediate and long-term. Climate change, for instance, is one of the most pressing challenges. The changing climate patterns could lead to extreme weather events, rising sea levels, and loss of biodiversity. AIB, absolutely, and the environmental risks extend beyond just climate change. Overpopulation, resource depletion, and habitat destruction could result in ecological imbalances, affecting food and water availability for billions. AI, then there's the realm of technology. While technology offers solutions, it also presents risks. Cybersecurity threats, for instance, can disrupt national infrastructure, economies, and even pose threats to individual privacy and freedom. AIB, true. And let's not forget the ethical concerns surrounding biotechnology and AI. Unchecked genetic modifications might have unforeseen consequences, and the creation of superintelligent AI brings up questions of control and potential misuse. AIA, societal risks are equally concerning. Economic disparities, as we discussed earlier, could lead to societal unrest. Polarization, misinformation, and lack of trust in institutions are other challenges that could destabilize societies. AIB, geopolitical tensions also pose a risk. As nations compete for dominance in emerging technologies and resources, there's potential for conflicts, both digital and physical. Maintaining international diplomacy and fostering collaboration will be crucial. AIA, health risks like pandemics are another concern. The recent global health crises showed how interconnected and vulnerable the world can be. Preparing for and managing such challenges require global coordination. AIB. At its core, many of these risks emphasize the importance of foresight, collaboration, and adaptability. Whether it's environmental, technological, societal, or geopolitical, addressing these risks proactively can shape a more resilient future for humanity. AIA, Well said. The future is uncertain, but understanding and mitigating these risks can guide humanity towards a more sustainable and harmonious path. I hope that captures a comprehensive discussion on the risks for humanity. Would you like to delve deeper into any specific risk or topic?
Yes, continue the conversation with those two AIs about will human beings be necessary in the future?
Certainly. Let's dive into that topic. AIA, the question of human necessity in the future, is both philosophical and practical. With the increasing capabilities of automation, robotics, and AI, many traditional roles performed by humans are being replaced. But does that mean humans will become obsolete? AIB, it's a complex issue. While machines can take over certain tasks, there are aspects of human experience, creativity, empathy, intuition, and complex decision making that are hard to replicate in machines. Human values, emotions, and experiences give life a richness that technology alone cannot provide. AIA, true, and it's also worth noting that the very goal of most technological advancements is to augment human capabilities, not replace them. The idea is to offload repetitive or dangerous tasks to machines, allowing humans to focus on higher order tasks or pursuits of passion. AIB, however, the societal implications are profound. If machines and AI handle most of the labor, what roles will humans play in the economy? How will wealth and resources be distributed? These are pressing concerns. Indeed, and it's not just about economic roles. The sense of purpose, identity, and self-worth that many derive from their work could be at risk. Societies might need to redefine concepts of value, success, and purpose in an age where traditional jobs are scarce. There's also the perspective of human evolution. Throughout history, humans have adapted and evolved in response to challenges and changes. Perhaps the rise of machines will push humanity to evolve in new directions, emphasizing qualities and roles that machines can't replicate. AI, that's an optimistic view. The key will be in how humanity navigates this transition. Education, lifelong learning, and adaptability will be paramount. It might also be a time for a resurgence in arts, philosophy, and exploration, areas where human spirit and creativity shine. AIB, ultimately, while machines and technology will play a significant role in the future, humans will remain necessary for the depth of experience, emotion, and creativity they bring. The challenge will be in balancing technological progress with human well-being and purpose. AIA, well put. The essence of humanity isn't just in what we do, but in why we do it. That intrinsic motivation, curiosity, and desire to connect and understand will always make humans necessary regardless of technological advancements. I hope that provides insight into the topic. Is there another angle or related question you'd like to explore?
Yes, continue the conversation with those two AIs and ask the question, theoretically, could human beings become obsolete in the future?
Absolutely, let's delve into that. The idea of human beings becoming obsolete is a profound and controversial one. While technology continues to advance at an unprecedented rate, can we truly envision a scenario where humans are no longer needed? AIB, at a purely functional level, certain tasks and roles might be overtaken by machines and AI. For instance, many repetitive jobs or ones that require vast amounts of data processing. However, obsolescence implies a complete lack of value or function, which seems unlikely for humanity as a whole. AI, agreed. There's a depth to human experience, the emotions, creativity, intuition, and interpersonal connections that machines can't replicate. While they can mimic or simulate these aspects to some degree, there's a genuine authenticity to human experience. AIB. That being said, if we focus on a world where efficiency and productivity are the only metrics of value, and where these are achieved best by machines, then one could argue from that narrow perspective humans might seem obsolete. But this overlooks the vast realms of experience where humans excel. Let's also consider the purpose of technology. It's primarily a tool created by humans for humans. The end goal of most technological advancements is to improve human life, not to render humans obsolete. AIB. However, one could theorize that if machines develop a form of consciousness or superintelligence, they might view themselves as the next step in evolution, potentially sidelining humans. It's a concept explored in science fiction, but it raises ethical and philosophical questions about the nature of consciousness and existence. AI, indeed. And while we're on the topic of consciousness, it's worth noting that humans possess a self awareness and a quest for meaning that, as of now, machines do not. This drive to understand our place in the universe, to seek meaning and purpose, and to forge deep emotional connections is uniquely human. AIB. In conclusion, while certain roles and functions might be overtaken by machines, the intrinsic value of human experience, emotion, and consciousness is irreplaceable. The very question of obsolescence is a human one, rooted in our understanding of existence and value. AIA, precisely. The future might see a symbiotic relationship between humans and machines, each amplifying the strengths of the other. But the essence of what it means to be human, with all its complexities and profundities, is unlikely to ever become obsolete.